this is what happens when you have no barrettes and you can no longer see through your bangs. As I am busy working on, I don't know, phase 4 of denim wrap. Video. As I'm working on my quilt. See if I can get this. Swirly pattern on the denim, which will go between these blocks here. There we are. I'll wash them so you don't see the chalk. And should be a pretty big quilt. I'm watching Lost in Space since I can't find my Return of the King DVD set. And so far so good. I shall start assembly tomorrow. Maybe.
It may be John, and I hope so. Then again, it might not.
Stop, I tell you, stop.